Welcome to our Teams Voice Handset training video. In this video, we will cover the main interface, its features, as well as how to log in. On the interface of the phone, you will notice a large touchscreen and 4 illuminated buttons on the right-hand side of the handset. The plus and minus buttons are your volume control. The headset icon as well as the speaker icon are your options to start a call either via a plugged-in headset or via speakerphone. On the bottom right-hand side of the screen, there is a red mute icon that you can use to mute your microphone during a call. On the main touch screen, you will see instructions on how to log into the device. On your personal device, type in the URL on the screen. This can be done from any device including a laptop, tablet, or mobile phone. Type in the security code you see on the handset to verify your login. Select Next and pass the multi-factor authentication, if necessary. Once the code has been verified, you can close the page and the handset will let you into Teams. When logged in, you will see your icon at the top of the screen and a grid menu with multiple options. The grid has options for calls and call history, a calendar, voicemail, and more. The calls menu will display items like your favorite contacts, recent calls, as well as a dial pad feature to make outbound calls. The calendar option will show all calendar items that have been saved in your Microsoft Teams profile. The voicemail option gives you access to all voicemails saved. The More option will give you access to the People menu, which includes your entire address book and a search option for contacts within Humber. The Home icon at the top left-hand side of the screen will instantly take you back to the main page from any menu. To place a call, simply select either the headset icon, the speakerphone icon, or lift the receiver and begin dialing on the dial pad, or type the name of the person you wish to call and select Call. If you wish to change your online status or to access the settings menu of the handset, simply select your display picture on the screen and a side menu will open to reveal your options. From the settings menu, you can set up your device to have light or dark mode, activate call forwarding, voicemail settings, and more. You can also use the settings menu to log out of the phone. Thanks for watching our Teams handset tutorial video. To learn more about Teams Voice, click on the link in the description.